want welcome back Key Automation. Now I intend to show you another annotator programs. This is a program for annotate the vehicle plate like motorbike plate or car plate, but in this section I already make the automatic annotate and recognize detect license plate from motorcycle. So how to do this programs? um, uh, I make by Python and PIQT5. So this is very good programs I make, and I use Qt to start the opera system. So like the detection is easy, but how to extract data from detection is more difficult. Like a license plate, you need to understand and extract data from your recognition, from your object detection. So this project I will show you how to automatically annotate the image. So the first time you need to do manually label on image by label IMG. Secondly, but if you have 1,000 picture, you cannot do it manually. You need to do is another way. For me, I will try to manually label around 500 pictures, 300 to 500 pictures. After that, I use YOLO for and training model. Then I use this model for automatic annotator program that I make from here. Vehicle plate automatic annotate. I put some pictures. Let me show you how to do this. Find smoke. Test folder. I have motorbike here. Okay, I have 4 image, and now I try to delete the label image. Label. Then I click here. Select motor folder here, and I brought to model that I already trained. YOLO dataset. I use version 5. Okay. And after that, I will click Auto Annotate. Then on the TXT file will automatically create here with the YOLO setting and Auto Annotate. Auto Annotate is running. Wait until complete. Okay, Auto Annotate is already complete. Let's see. Files were already annotated automatically. Auto annotate on image complete. So you can see the image and license plate will be displayed here. File image, and then you open motor plate already here. Motor plate. You can see from here the picture already automatic annotate and display in these pictures. You can click destination, the same colors, and I click next. License plate also display here. 59L1 78582. And check it. So with Auto Annotate program, you see the label is more perfect than you do it manually. 59M1 03519. This is incorrect detections. So this image in detection incorrect. So we need to correct it later. So is it correct? Is 59MS1. 59L1. Ah, something wrong. Huh? Let me check the label image. I try to open it again to see. Open image. Motor plate. Here. 59S1. M1. Okay, after already complete labeling, you go to prepare data sets and go to prepare data set, and you do whatever you want, like moving uh, like of arrow files to a folder. For example, during automatic labeling this, if you find any mistake in the image but you cannot correct from this part, this or image wrong, image is bad quality, you can remove from your dataset by you select your destinations. I click the same destination, and then I save. Example here, I click save file arrow, and it remember arrow file, and click next. This one example, I here save arrow again, so there are two arrow file. So I also, in case you have 1,000 image, you cannot do it one day, so you can do it one by one. You save your working position. So you are working on the image number 4 and with name here, and on the working it will be automatic right here and save position and arrow image. Yeah, example here, there are two wrong image. Then what you do is example, you want to move the overall image to different folder. Yeah, I will click short file in motor late, and I would check destination, the same folders, and I select arrow file, txt file, arrow here, open this, and after that I will click move file, and then move file. After move file, you come back to the folder. You can see the arrow image will, will contain two arrow image with label. It's two images. We will check and correct it later. So another, maintain another data set correct. You can put in the correct data set. Working position is saved here. So in some case you need to download image from YouTube. Automatically you can select destination folders, download folders, and then you type example like you want to see bus, download some bus, and then you type quantity number of pictures and click download, and then you come back here, you see image download automatically. Okay, download image complete and go to download folders. Bus, you can see plenty of bus here already download with good qualities here. This is very good program for prepare for data sets. So if someone need the program, please contact me. It's for training help. With training, we need to put in street and program complete. Thank you very much for your watching. I will stop it right now. Let me try to open the main. Download complete.